Hi, welcome back, CRK. This one I'm going to show you fitting the subframe, but as you can see, the first thing to do, I'm just going to pop the back wheel into the bike. Get the chain all connected up. Okay, so now subframe can go on. There's the top of the frame where we chopped the rear subframe off, the original one. Those parts aren't used, they just get covered up. And these are the bottom mountings which the new subframe is going to fit into. So here it is, this is how it comes, all ready powder coated, ready to fit. The front top fixing is going to be this hole here, and the bottom fixing, the frame has got a rectangular pin incorporated in it, which is going to slot into the bottom frame tube where we chopped the old subframe off. So here I am, just offering it up, putting the square pins, just getting them started in the hole. Just springing it in a little. There are two machined spacers that fit into the frame tube here. This is where the long bolt's going to go through and hold the top of the new subframe in place. So yeah, I'm just easing it in, just using a little block of wood just to tap it in. This is the long through bolt that's going to fix the top fixing where we put the spacers. Now what I've found, and this is quite common, is that there might be a little bit of spring in the frame that you just need to pull out. So to do that, I've put that ratchet strap on. I'm just using that to pull the top of the frame down while I insert the bolt. So in it goes. Tap it through. Now if it pulls over to one side, I'm just using a socket with an extension bar to just lever it over a little bit, and then I can tap it through the hole on the other side. So that's it. That bolts through. Take the ratchet strap off now. Here it is on the other side, and you can see the two spacers there up against the frame. So just now pop the nut and washer on. And that's it, that's the frame on. Now down the bottom part of the frame there's a lug there, and when we fit the footrests a bolt will go through that, and that will be the final securing point for the lower frame. Watch again. Bye.